Coming out of KyribaLive last year and going to a couple sessions on Open Reports Studio, it was an easy win for us. It was a good place to start. So we have a quarterly report that did take about 40 hours per quarter to pull together. Today, after implementing Open Reports Studio, what used to take 40 hours now takes 2 to 5 hours. Most of that time being analyzing the data instead of having to try to compile and manipulate the data.
It would take me about 2 to 3 hours to finish this report versus now where I just refresh this Open Reports Studio report. This will take seconds because everything will come for the date that I want, the period, for the accounts that I need. Everything is going to be allocated into just one specific report.
We are starting to move along that data continuum and do more insights, implications. What I like that we're starting to do is marry up the information in Kyriba, which is more account level, deposit level data, and marry it up with our debt management system and be able to really do some really in-depth analysis in terms of lender concentration, maturity analysis, duration risk, get into some higher level analysis like that can really drive decision making.
At the end of the day, we need to be able to provide information to senior executives quickly, efficiently, and make sure that that information that we are providing is accurate.